Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the camera mirror effect. Okay, so let's begin. To do it we need to open up our camera, and now we need to open up the settings. Click right in here on this icon, and now click on the settings. And now scroll down, and now we have the selfies options, and the first option is save selfies as previewed. So that's basically this mirror effect. In here, by clicking on that, you can disable it or enable it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.